okay, the ability to be inspired, to be able to go to the next level. If that was my calling to do it, I need to do my work and deliver that message to the people. The people here need to be inspired. We need to start thinking about the next world that we're entering. I keep talking about 2020. I keep talking about staying motivated, inspired, and keep working on your craft and keep working on the things that you want to build on for the future. All right? It takes us, artists, entrepreneurs, to take it to the next level. All right, everybody? Thank you so much. Till then, you count, you matter. I'll see you in the next minute on Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. And I'm back, and I got a chance to do my reflection, and I am reflecting today. And I'll see you in the next minute. Thank you so much. Television Barbara Campbell, host here of Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. Bye-bye.